Nilight upgraded H11H9H8 9005HB3 LED headlight bulbs. The Nilight upgraded H11H9H8 9005HB3 LED headlight bulbs are an exceptional product that provides outstanding brightness and longevity. With its impressive specifications and reliable performance, this product is a great choice for anyone in need of high-quality LED headlight bulbs. Manufactured by Nilight, a reputable brand known for delivering top-notch automotive products, these upgraded LED headlight bulbs offer a brightness of 20000 lumens. This brightness is significant and ensures excellent visibility, making them suitable for various driving conditions, including low-light environments. The package includes one headlight bulb, which is sufficient for a complete replacement. The color of the light emitted by these bulbs is a crisp and clear white, providing enhanced clarity on the road. Their positioning is on the right side of the vehicle, ensuring optimal lighting on that side.